Create a demo account on TradingView. To create a demo account on TradingView, you'll typically need to first sign up for a TradingView account and then connect it to a broker that offers demo account. If you don't have, first thing you want to sign up for TradingView account, then you want to create one, after which what you have to do is many brokers offer a demo account that can be connected to TradingView. Research brokers that are compatible with TradingView and have a demo account as well. Then you want to log in into your broker's platform and create a demo account. Once you're logged in, what next you want to do is you simply want to follow the broker's instructions for connecting their platform to a TradingView. Once connected, you could use the TradingView platform with your demo account to practice trading without risk of real money. Similarly, you could also search for market you like to practice trading and open in the chart. You could locate the trading panel as well. And what you could also do is locate the trading panel that is usually at the bottom of the screen. Under the broken, choose the paper trading options to practice trading with virtual funds, and that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.